Hi guys, welcome to Academia Learning. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. The topic of discussion of today is pollution. So now let's discuss what is pollution. Pollution is something that is introduced into the environment that is dirty, unclean and has harmful effect. Pollution has adverse effect on marine environment, marine ecosystem, loss of biodiversity, and it causes hazards to human health. Now guys, we are gonna discuss different types of pollution. Pollution can be of many types: land pollution, radioactive pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution. Now we are gonna discuss individually these pollutions. Now let's discuss what is land pollution. Land pollution is a result of dumping garbage, waste or other toxins, making land polluted. Anything that makes land polluted is called as land pollution, such as sewage outlets. These things cause many pollution in land. Now let's discuss what is water pollution. Discharge of domestic and industrial waste, leakage from water tanks, marine dumping, radioactive waste and atmospheric deposition are major causes of water pollution. So as we know that all living organisms need water to survive, and if it is polluted it can lead to many health problems. It can cause various diseases. Water pollution can be very dangerous for all the living organisms, because as we know that water is essential for all the humans. Okay, now let's discuss what is noise pollution. Noise pollution is also known as environmental pollution, sound pollution. Okay, how it is formed? How is noise pollution formed? Noise pollution can be formed by voice of machines, through the transports or propagation systems that have high level of noise. Now let's discuss what is radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution is defined as the physical pollution of living organisms and their environment as a result of release of radioactive substances into the atmosphere during nuclear explosions, testing of nuclear weapons, nuclear weapon production. These all sort of testings can cause radioactive pollution that is really harmful to the environment. Okay guys, next, air pollution. Air becomes polluted when a lot of smoke is present in the atmosphere. Air pollution can cause various respiratory diseases such as asthma and pneumonia. As we know, we all have to breathe air in order to survive. So the cities that have air polluted, it becomes dangerous for people to breathe there because it can cause various respiratory diseases that are not easy to recover. So lastly now, thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is defined as sudden increase or decrease in temperature of natural body of water, which can be ocean, lake, river or pond. It can occur when a plant or facility take in water from a natural resource and put it back with an altered temperature. Thank you for watching guys. It was all about pollution and its various types. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.